Hey guys, this is part 2 of camping. Right now we left our campgrounds and so we're just on the little beach area. They call it a beach. I do have my shoes on. I swam for a little bit before I picked up my camera, so I'm not going to go in anymore. But right now, do I have a tan line yet? I can't tell. But right now we're heading back to our campsite and we're going to eat dinner because it's 5 o'clock, 5:30. So we are back. Feels nice. That's the horse trailer. So I'm currently just wearing black capris and this oversized shirt. So, hi. I don't want your muddiness. Go away. Go away. Go away. I'm getting attacked by dogs. Go away, please. Now let go. Go. And my lovely sister's wearing
jeans, t-shirt, socks, and tennis shoes.
Oh, and
I'm also wearing underwear and a bra, but
okay, so I changed into this tank top because I was way too hot. Guys, we have 6 dogs. We don't own 6 dogs, but there's 6 dogs at our campsite. Sawyer, come here.
Emma?
Come here, hi.
I don't think we have enough
Sawyer.
horses though. You want some fish?
Hi, beautiful. Hi. 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 I love to give horses hay. I don't know why. Oh, God. Okay. Those 2 horses are not human people. This one is.
See? I told you.
It's gonna hurt just a second. There you go. Oh, come on.
Make a scared face.
What do you want me to do? Alright, bring her this way. Okay, roll. Roll. Bring her around. Got it?
Stephen Jacob.
Ooh, 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 a hydro flask.
Yeah, she's ready to be fought, right?
Huh?